If you are wondering what accessories comes with Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, as you can see right here, I have this brand new box. I'm gonna cut out the protective stickers right here, and then we'll be able to check all of those accessories. Let's open it, and here on the top there's nothing, and then there's a cardboard probably containing most of the accessories. Here we have instructions and the SIM ejection tool. Then there's a phone itself, as you can see right here. And next thing that we'll find is cable. And there's also the extension for the cable that goes to USB-C male and then USB female. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.